In Google Classroom, you're going to go down to assignment number 27, and it's called Food Labels. All right. So, everybody open up this orange document, Food Labels Comparison. Okay. Really important that you understand food labels so that for the test, that's what you're going to have to be doing. That in life, this is where you get information about the food you're eating. All right, so everybody can have this open, and I'll help you get started to make it a little easier for you. Okay. So directions say find 3 different foods with nutrition facts or food labels. Use these products to answer the questions. Okay. Change the color of your answers. Now, you can download the FoodUK app, which is cool. It looks like this orange and a sweatband. And it's cool. You can just scan food at the store, and it will tell you information about it. Or you can go to the FoodUK website, and you click right here. So you click on FoodUK. All right, so you should open up a tab that looks like this. So go ahead, everybody, click on that FoodUK link. Okay. Now you should all have something that looks like this. All right, so now it says question number 1. Choose 3 of your favorite foods or 3 foods that you eat most frequently. You're going to use these 3 products to answer the questions on this document. Okay, so everybody choose a first food. So I'm going to say like, oh, you know what I love? I love Takis. Oh, how do you spell Takis?
With like
Okay. Oh man, look at that. Okay, so I got Takis. All right. So I'm gonna say, oh, I always get these ones, the Fuego. So I'm gonna click on it. So now I'm going to come back and I'm gonna type in Taki. All right, it's the Fuego. Okay, now I need a second food. So let me open up another tab of FoodUK so that I can keep track of them. All right, another one that I love to eat. I'm gonna say Sunbelt, oats and honey. All right, chewy granola bars. All right, here we go. So this is Sunbelt. Okay, so now I type that in as product number 2. Now I'm going to click a third time. So then now I have 3 tabs open. All right, and I'm going to say Wendy's Hot and Spicy, KFC.
It's like, I know that's what you're doing.
All right, I'm gonna go with Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, so I type that into Control Z.
That's why you can't copy and paste things.
All right, there we go. All right, so now, so you should have at least one of them pulled up. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to Takis. I'm gonna get, so they get a D grade. Okay, so I'm gonna type in D. All right, now I'm gonna go back to here, Sunbelt Chewy granola bars. They got a C plus, and Wendy's spicy chicken got a C. All right, so, and now I gotta explain why, eyes up here please, explain why that was given that grade. So I'm gonna go back to Takis. So then I just click on this, why? And then guess what? It gives me explanations right here. So all these are warnings. So if it's red, warning, this is why. All right, contains controversial artificial colors, and there's an explanation of why. Controversial additive TBHQ in here. Highly processed. All right. One of the worst products in its category. Okay. So I'm going to say like, all right. So why? It's highly processed. And what? Let's see. All right. Bottom 10%. So I'm going to say highly processed. Bottom 10% in its category. Okay, so what are some healthier alternatives? Eyes up here so you can see. Put your hand down. I'm not, it's a hypothetical. Okay, so alternatives. So now you got some alternatives in this category that are better. All right. Ooh, Blue Diamond whole natural almonds. Great. I'm going to take that. So I'm going to say Blue Diamond almonds. Okay. There you go. So that's number one. That's done. I'm going to do the same thing for these two. Then, eyes up on the board, please. Okay, question number 2. Using all 3 products from question 1, what is the largest ingredient in each of the products? So here, again, I'm going to label Takis. I'm going to write granola bar. All right, and spicy chicken. All right, just to cut down on that. Abbreviate. Okay, so now right here. All right, what ingredient is the largest ingredient? Okay, so I can scroll down. It says ingredients. Okay, and they always start with the largest ingredient first, the smallest ingredient last. All right, so corn masa flour. All right, so that's all right. That's gonna be the largest one. So I'm gonna hit that. Granola bars. All right, granola. I mean, it includes a lot of stuff, but I'm just gonna. And spicy chicken. What does it contain the most of? Ingredients. Oh, tomato. There's more tomato than anything. That is weird. That's kind of surprising. Right. Using all 3 products from question number 1, which ingredient has the least in each product? So I go to the bottom. All right. And so I can find there. Oh man, vegetable proteins. Okay. Sunbelt, carrageenan, TBHQ. All right. So I'm going to type those in there. Now, for question number 4, fill in the table below by comparing the 3 products you choose in question 1. Eyes up here, please. Okay, so you're going to look. Which one has the least amount of ingredients? All right, so there's chicken sandwich. There's granola bars. Gentlemen, eyes up on the board, please. Okay, and then we have Takis. So these are 2 pretty close ones. So I just am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so that was 20. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So which one has the least? So then I'm going to say Takis. How much? It only has 14 ingredients. Okay? And I'm going to do that for all these questions. Question number 5. All right? So comparing the same 3 products, which one has the most fiber? So I have to look at this is the nutrition facts label. I look under carbohydrates, dietary fiber, 3 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. So then I say, all right, chicken sandwich has the most fiber. Okay, and I type that in there. How much? 3 grams. All right, comparing all 3 products. Okay, so choose one of the products. According to the footnote, what amount of calories is that based on? All right, so I can look down. May not be able to find it right off the bat here. Okay, probably based off the 2,000 calorie diet. Okay, so maybe 6 you might have to skip. Okay, choose one product from question 1 and calculate the following information. So again, you're going to choose your product name and how many calories come from that product. How many calories come from carbohydrates? How many calories come from fats? How many calories come from proteins? How many calories come from sugars? Okay, and then which products are high in fat, moderate in fat, low in fat. Here's the equation you use, and then you type in if they're high fat, moderate fat, or low fat. Okay, so you may have all 3 are high fat, or maybe 2 are high fat, 1 is moderate fat. Okay, so I would do that and then answer those 2 questions. So I would like copy the the link for it because you'll work on this tomorrow, and then I'm just going to push Control K, and then I'll paste the link in there, right? So paste, and then I just put link, there. So now I can easily find that. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to Control K, but I need the link, so I'm going to copy that. Okay, then I paste it into there, and I just type link. So now if I don't get it done in class, I can always find exactly what I was looking for. Okay? All right.